Hey everybody, what's going on? That's your boy The Future with Little Cookie. Happy New Year to everybody. It's 2019, January 1st, 2019. I'm planning to take Little Cookie to the lake. We're gonna feed the birds. I wanna see how she gonna react seeing the birds for the first time that close to her. Stay tuned guys, it's gonna be fun. Love you so much. Bye. See another shot guys. Guys, you seeing this? I thought she going to watch the birds. She fall asleep. Unreal. Oh my goodness, she's so cute, guys. We'll see you at the lake, guys. Hey guys, what's going on? We're here at the lake. Look at all of these birds, guys. We're gonna feed them. Let's see. Oh my goodness. You guys see a Little Cookie? She's so happy. Look at all of them birds, guys. Oh my goodness. Let's see if she want to feed them. Oh my goodness, guys. You guys seeing this? Guys, this is so beautiful. She's so excited, guys. You guys see? Let's see if she want to feed the birds. Huh? Feed them. I'm eating Freya. Feed them. She don't even know how to feed them. Here. Yeah, guys, this right here is so beautiful. This is Erie, Pennsylvania lake. By the way, guys, the other side is the beach. If I get 50 likes on this video, I go on the other side. It's the beach. And then the other side of there, it's actually Canada. Come on, guys, eat. Oh my gosh, you guys seeing this? I give it a bread to feed the birds. She actually eating it. Oh my goodness, yeah. Look at all of this, guys. Oh, here. Bird is so happy. Look, bird is right on top of my car. He's chilling over there. Look, on my head. I'm gonna go to the car and grab another bag of bread. I'm gonna have her sit in the car, guys. It's kind of a little cold over here. Come on, guys, here. Let me see if they would come and take it out of my hand. Here. Oh my goodness, you guys see this? Here. Wow. Oh. You guys see how Little Cookie looking at them? Come over here. Look at Little Cookie, guys. Look at Little Cookie. She's so excited. Oh my goodness, look at all of them birds coming toward us. Whoa. Let me see if somebody will take it while he's flying. Come on, guys. Oh my goodness, you guys see that? Come on. Yeah, guys, it's fun down here, but it's cold. It was raining yesterday, so it was so bad. You know, today actually is nice, but it kind of a little chilly. But other than that, it's fun. I think on Sundays we could go up there, guys. One day I'm gonna go up there, guys, and you know, make a vlog for you. But guys, 50 likes, I'm gonna go to the other side of the beach. You guys see this? It's really nice out there. It's beautiful. And then we can see kind of the bridge from there, actually. Stay tuned, guys. Let's feed these hungry birds. Come on, guys. Come on. Here, come on. Come on. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness, feeling them in the air as they flying, guys, look. He take the whole thing, here. Yo, this is awesome, here. Eat this. Here, guys. Little cookie, guys. Hey, she want to feed you like, she want to feed us, actually. She want to feed the bird. Here. Hope you guys enjoying this. First day of 2019, guys. This is my first day of 2019. Here you go. Come on. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. Would you try this, guys, or would you be afraid? Whoa. Guys, this feels so good, honestly. Oh my goodness. Yo. Oh my God. Yo, they bite my fingers. Yo, guys, come over here. Take a look at this. All the birds on me. Here. I love you too, guys. Happy New Year. Oh my goodness. Yo, he bite my fingers. Here, you guys hungry too? Here. Here. There you go, guys. They fighting over it. I should have bring more bread. I'm almost out. Oh, look at little cookie. She's so excited. Here. Here, guys. I want you to see this so close. Come closer. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. One of them might have to come and eat it. Here. Here. Here, come on. Oh, guys, you can see this? He couldn't take it. Here. Oh, wow. Come on. Oh, he take the whole piece. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Here. Here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Take this. Take this. Ooh! Look at this. Oh, my goodness. The last piece, guys. You guys seeing this view? This view is really beautiful out here, guys. Me and all of my friends. Guys, see you another vlog. Hope you really enjoyed this. Love you so much. Happy New Year. Guys, make sure comment down below what do you want me to do. 50 like, I go to the other side like I said. It's really beautiful out here. See you another vlog, guys. Bye. Really cold out here, guys, but look, there's people actually riding a fishing boat. This is share temperature right here, right on the lake. Summertime, by the way, this place, guys, would be popping. Like a lot of people would be here. It's a nice place to chill. Some old boats come through too. Look, guys, I'm actually here right close to it. Or actually, they close. This is what this place is actually. Yeah, I want to actually go up there and make a video. It's real nice. Yeah, we was just out there feeding the birds. Guys, we here on the other side of actually where we were at right now. Look at this old boat, guys. This probably been here for like 10 years. Look at this view. It's beautiful. You guys see all them boats down there? Oh my goodness, they all winterized. They're ready for the summer, guys, just to be down here. And actually in the summer, I'll be renting jet skis from here, guys. So stay tuned, guys. Soon as the summer here, I'm gonna get a jet ski and hit the water and show you guys actually around how this actually like look like. It's really nice out here, guys. Beautiful. Look at this. Look at them hills, guys, and look at the house up there. You guys seeing them houses up there? Look at that hill. Yeah, it's nice and lovely, guys, up here.